What's up, Manufacturing All-Stars? Welcome to another podcast preview episode of Manufacturing Happy Hour. Episode 6 is live, and it is featuring Joe Carson and Pacific Blue Engineering. And this episode is all about starting your own manufacturing company, specifically a systems integrator in the 21st century. Now, Joe is an individual that's about my age, and I think about 4 or 5 years ago was when he took the leap to start Pacific Blue Engineering based in the LA area. They have become a premier systems integrator in their relatively short time as a company. And in this episode, we go through some of Joe's journey as to getting the company started. We also talk about some of his own personal development habits that he's done to invest in himself and keeps him and his company energized and at the top of their game. This is a fun episode. We actually recorded it a while ago, but hopefully you enjoy it here around the holidays when it comes out or whenever you first tune into it. If you want to get to that episode, go to manufacturinghappyhour.com/iTunes, and call to action for you is to leave a 5-star rating and review for the show if you love it. After you tune into episode 6, it's really easy to leave a rating, but to leave a review, it's also very simple. It could be as short as one sentence, and you can do that on the iTunes platform on your phone, or I should say the Apple Podcasts app on your phone, or iTunes on your desktop as well. I'd greatly appreciate it. It helps get the show on the map, and it would be great if you could share it with other folks that are going through their careers in the manufacturing industry as well. These shows are meant to be actionable and provide you with tips, and in the case of Joe Carson's episode 6, that is definitely the case. With that, make sure to tune in at manufacturinghappyhour.com/iTunes or wherever you get your podcasts. And in the meantime, stay innovative, stay thirsty. Cheers.